Alrighty folks, so here's part 2 of the dash cam. Yes, I do need a new rear view mirror. Well, I don't need one, but I am going to get one. Kind of nasty there. There's the dash cam there. And I'm not done with the wiring yet. It's all tucked away everywhere except this last little bit. I just can't get it to tuck in there. So I'm going to have to get something to make it stay in there. It's really the only option I have in the Jeep. There's really nowhere else to hide it. As you can see, it's all hid around here nicely. And then it's coming through here and coming out there and running down. So anyways, it's right there. There's my GPS down there, and there's the dash cam working right there. So that's where that's going to go. You can see it behind the mirror there. I will tidy that up. Okay, and then here's my 12-volt cigarette lighter plug or auxiliary outlet there, where the ashtray used to go. But anyway, here's the driver's seat. You can see where they put it in the Jeep. I mean, there's the pedal, so you can see. But anyway, just went ahead and tied it in back there. It's all tied in and loomed and all that stuff. So that'll work. And I'll show you how it's hooked up. There's the key right there. Well, right here. So when I turn the key off, both my GPS and my, the stereo, the GPS, and the dash cam will all turn off. I'll give you an example. So there goes the stereo. You see the GPS is powering down. And there goes the dash cam. So I've got it all hooked up where it's on keyed power. This cigarette lighter in here just happens to be hooked up that way. It's not constant. Some vehicles are, some aren't. But I'll turn it back on and show you how it'll all turn on automatically so you never forget about it. Let me go ahead and click it on here. I thought I did, but I guess I didn't. Let's see. Stupid GM ignition in these Jeeps. There we go. There you go. GPS kicks on. Dash cam kicks on. This will automatically go to a map on its own after. There you go. And just once again to turn it off, it'll all turn off. So that's how I did it in the Jeep, the old hardwire. And you can see that's powering down. That's got another 4 seconds and it'll go black. Alright guys, thanks for watching.